Hello everybody. In this video we will see how to create simple tables for our WordPress blog. To do that we will need a plugin. Okay, so we go to the plugins, add new, and we search in the WordPress page for a tables plugin. Okay, we have many different options. Some of them are pricing tables, some are data table generators, but we will install and use the simple basic one, which is the TablePress. Okay, it's compatible with the last version of WordPress. Okay, has a lot of active installs. Okay, so we install it. Okay, now we activate. Okay, now our TablePress plugin is active on our website. Okay, so we have on the dashboard the TablePress link. So we go to all the tables. Okay, and we have a table 1. Okay, default table. Let's edit this table. Okay, so this is a default table, but let's create a new one. Okay, because I want to start from scratch. Okay, so I want to add a new table. Okay, let's call it table 2. Table 2. We can change the number of rows and columns. Okay, so let's increase the number of columns, not too many. Okay, something like 8. Okay, add table. Okay, so now we have our new table we just created. Important, as often with WordPress, the shortcode. This is the code we will need to paste wherever we want the table to show. Okay, now we have our table. Okay, let's have a look at the options. Okay, table options. For example, the first option is table head row. So if we tick here, the first row of the table is the table header. Okay, same for the table footer. If we tick this section, the last row of the table is the table footer. Okay, most of these options are quite self-explanatory, so I don't need to say much about this. Print table name. Okay, where we want the table name to appear, above or below. Okay, don't worry about the extra CSS classes, well, unless you are confident with CSS. Okay, features of the data tables JavaScript library. Again, this is JavaScript, so I would say let's enable everything for now. Okay, so sorting, filtering, the pagination. Okay, let's enable also the horizontal scrolling. Okay, let's save the changes, copy the shortcode, and paste it in a page. This way we can see the real table. So let's paste it into the about page and update it. This way we have the front end with our table. Okay, for now the table is empty. Okay, so let's go back to the table and start doing some changes. So we can edit, for example, too many columns. We have too many columns. Let's delete a couple. Okay, so select them, table manipulation, and let's delete the selected columns. Okay, so now we have less columns. Okay, the number of columns now is different. Okay, this is our header. Okay, we can merge the cells if we want. So we selected the first cell on the left of the header. Okay, we can combine cells. Okay, so let's say we want to combine the cells in a row. Okay, so the first row. Okay, and this is the instruction about how it works, this operation. Okay, so to combine cells within a row, click into the cell to the right of the cell that has the content that combining cells shall have. So what does it mean? We were in the cell A. Okay, we were in the cell A. We want to merge A, B and C together. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, so we were in the cell A. We clicked the cell C and it appears this code, call span. Okay, this means the first 3 cells will merge into one. Okay, save the changes and check the front. Okay, so we see that now the header is different, is made of only one cell. Let's put something here. Product. Okay, products. Then let's write something in our cells. Product 1, product 2, product 3. Okay, let's save it and see. Okay, product 1, product 2, product 3. We have in the table manipulation we have different options about what to add in a cell. So if we click, for example, this cell here and we want to insert a link, let's imagine. Okay, okay, so the URL, okay, link text, this is what the table will display on the cell. So let's call it about page, for example. Okay, about page, and then we link it to the about page. Okay, so in the URL it appears the URL of the about page and we add the link. Okay, so in the cell we selected, now we have a link. We save the changes, we refresh our front page, and we have our table, products, product 1, 2, and 3, and we have the link to the about page. Well, actually we are already in the about page, so let's make it something more. Let's make another one. Okay, insert link, home. Okay, the URL we select from the list home. Of course, we can write an external URL, so we don't have to link to internally to a page in our website. Okay, but now to make it easy, we link it internally. Okay, so we add the link. Now we have in this cell we have another link. Okay, now we click in the home link and we are back to the home page. We go back to the about. Okay, home. Okay, it works. There are more options, you can explore them. Okay, so you can also insert an image inside the cell. Okay, you can delete selected columns and rows as we've seen. Okay, well, I think this is okay. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can write it in the comments. Thank you and see you next time.